Welcome yogis to this 15-minute sunset salutation. I got super duper lucky today, and as I showed up in my turquoise aloe leggings, I found this turquoise New York City parks wall. So I'm excited to flow with you under the sunset and the blue wall today. Before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe so you get all of our videos as soon as they show up, and let's go ahead and get started.
Come to the back of the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up, look through your thumbs. As you exhale, forward fold over the legs. Walk your hands out to a baby plank and then lift the hips high, downward facing dog. Drop the knees, inhale, arch the spine to cow, and exhale, chin to chest, cat pose. Inhale, lift the heart and gaze, cow pose. Round the spine, look at your abs, cat pose. One more time, arch the spine, cow, and forward bend, cat. Then come to neutral, reach your right arm forward, reach it up to the sky, circle it back and say hello. There we go, do it again, reach it up and forward, reach it up and back like a big rainbow, circle it up and forward, circle it up and backward. Bring it up to the sky and then land it on the floor. Sit yourself back, child's pose, balasana. Replace yourself on hands and knees, step your feet to plank, and then shift this plank into your downward facing dog. Start to walk your hands back towards your feet, coming into a forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, half lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward fold again. Circle the arms, come up to stand in mountain. And this time, roll yourself down like a Pilates roll down, chin to chest, articulating through the spine. Walk your palms forward, find yourself in a plank, and now shift forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, rocking on the toes. 5, 6, set your gaze. 8, 9, and then come back onto hands and knees. Repeat, take it to cow pose, remember that? And forward fold, cat pose. Inhale, arch the spine, cow. Forward bend, cat. Inhale, lift the eyes and heart. Exhale, hug up the belly. Reach that left arm forward, reach it up and back to your hip. Rainbow arm it forward and lift up and back. Huge arc of the shoulder, up and forward. Third time, reach it up and back. Reach it up and then land it all fours. This time you're going to tuck your toes, lift to plank. Walk yourself toward the front of the mat. Take as long as you need to get there. Once you're at the front, inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Circle the arms, come up to stand, mountain pose at the front of the mat. Lift the heart back, bend this if you're interested. Exhale, forward fold over the legs. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Plant your fingers, step your right leg back to low lunge. Add your left leg plank. Shift forward, bend the elbows at 90. Inhale, lift the heart, upward facing dog. And exhale, tuck toes, downward facing dog. Reach your right leg in the air, step it forward, and then add your left foot, 2 feet at the front of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, release. Circle the arms, come back up to stand in mountain pose, Tadasana. Palms together, forward fold over your legs. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Exhale, this time left leg steps back, low lunge. You got it. Here's your plank. Shift forward through your vinyasa, chaturanga, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. You could always just choose down dog for your vinyasa. From here, lift your left leg in the air, step that leg forward, add your right foot, make them best friends. Inhale, half lift, look forward. Exhale, drop your head down, let it go. Circle the arms, come up to stand in mountain. Fingers together, reach knuckles back. Exhale, forward fold, clasp your hands this time, reach your knuckles up to the sky. Release your fingers, inhale, half lift. Exhale, step your right leg back to lunge again. And then send your left foot to plank. Shift forward, chaturanga. So you'll notice as we play with this vinyasa and this sunset salutation, we're going to add some hand gestures or mudras in. Lift your leg to the sky, step forward, low lunge, add your second foot, inhale, half lift, exhale, forward fold. And then check out this hand positioning. It's kind of like making a you got it signal with your hands, pointer fingers and thumbs together. And as you exhale, forward fold, clasp your hands like a fist, punch the sky with that fist, forward fold. Release your hands to the floor, inhale, half lift. Exhale, step your left leg back, low lunge. Perfect. Right leg plank. Shift forward, elbows at 90 for your chaturanga. Slide forward, upward facing dog. Tuck toes, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Lift that left leg high, step it forward, add your right foot, inhale, half lift. Let's sew this all together. Exhale, forward fold. Circle the arms as you come to stand, interlace the fingers, but the pointer, and as you forward fold, clasp the hands, punch the sky. Hands to sacrum as you flat back this time. And then jump to chaturanga if you're feeling it. Slide forward, up dog, tuck toes, down dog. That jump can always be a walk. Bend your knees, step or hop to the front of your mat. Walk forward if you didn't quite make it like me. And forward fold, reverse swan dive to stand. Interlace the fingers, pointers and thumbs, push up and back. As you forward fold, clasp the hands. Whoosh. Reach knuckles back, take them to the sacrum as you flat back, heart forward, head forward. Plant the palms, jump to chaturanga. You gotta bend those elbows if you're gonna jump. Inhale, lift to up dog, and then tuck toes, down dog. Gorgeous. Bend the knees, look at the hands, hop yourself, creating some heat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Circle the arms. This time, lift your left leg, one-legged Tadasana. And now sweep it back, warrior three. Bend the knee. We're going to repeat 3 times. Come up to stand. Set your drishti ahead of you. That's your gaze. Eyes forward. Send it back. Warrior 3. Virabhadrasana 3. Eyes on mat. 3rd time. Knee to chest. Eyes high. And as you exhale, send the leg back long through the toes. Bend the front knee. Land the foot. And boom. Sweep the arms up. You're in a high crescent lunge. Lift and open the chest into a twist. Going toward your bent leg. Breathe in and then step it back, low lunge to down dog. Great. Inhale. Bend the knees, look at the hands, hop to the front of the mat. Yep. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, release. Let's do second side. Circle the arms up. Lift that right knee to the sky. As you exhale, send it back behind you, warrior 3. Wobbling is totally acceptable. Come right back up to stand. Lift your knee to the sky. Exhale, send it back, warrior 3. We're calling this one-legged Tadasana, one-legged mountain pose. Oop, squeeze those obliques, get it, save it, you got it. Warrior 3, bend the front knee, land your back toes. Sweep the arms up and you're in your high crescent lunge, second side. Lift the chest, twist into your front bent leg, and then pull the shoulders back toward your straight leg. Gorgeous. Twisted high crescent lunge. Breathe in. Breathe out. Cartwheel your hands to the mat, step it back. Hello, sir. Downward facing dog. Gently drop the knees and come into hero's pose, balancing on your shins, palms up. Now, if heroes doesn't work for you, cool. You're just going to extend your legs in front and sit down. If it does work for you, sit right on the heels, palms facing up. Find a moment of repose here. And then I'm going to show you the next mudra or hand position. Just facing you for a moment, you can watch for a second and follow along. Reach the arms up, take your right hand, grab your left wrist, push up and over toward your side, breathing and opening your right ribs. Come up to center, switch that, right hand grabs left wrist, pull it up and over to your right, opening the left ribs. We're gonna do this standing, but I just wanted to give you a baby tutorial to see the hands. Hands forward, and then that will be our swan dive. I'm going to turn it back to the side. So let's come onto our feet if you're not yet there with me. Find down dog. Bend your knees, step, hop, handstand to the front of your mat. Inhale, half lift, look forward and drop down. Circle the arms, come up to stand. Now, left hand grabs right wrist, side bend it to your right. Bend the knees, drop the head, roll up to stand, repeat. Circle the arms. Left hand grabs right wrist, take it to your left. Bend the knees, drop down over the legs. Gorgeous. Inhale, circle, arms up, lift your left knee to the sky. Exhale, send it back, warrior 3. We're here again. Bend the knee, come up to one-legged Tadasana, eyes forward, fingers high. Send it back, eyes right in front of your left supporting leg. Bend the knee, come up to stand. And sweep it back, warrior 3. Bend the front knee, land the back toe, sweep the arms up, high crescent lunge. Believe in yourself as you go for the twist, twisted high lunge. Take it into a low twisted lunge, extending the top arm over your ear, and then plant the palms, take it to plank. Shift forward, chaturanga, lift up dog, tuck toes, down dog. Very nice. From here, bend your knees, look forward, hop to where you want to be. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, release. Mix and match these choices as you continue. Circle the arms up, come up to stand. Left hand grabs right wrist, take it up and over to your left. Bend the knees, drop forward, roll up. Isn't this fun? Circle the arms, right hand to left wrist, taking it to your right. Circle it, drop it down, roll up to stand. Circle your hands high to the sky. Lift your right knee this time. As you exhale, send it back. Warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3, shoulders square to the mat. Hug your abs in. If you fall out of it, you just try again. Come up to stand, one-legged Tadasana. Come back up. We could call this an Ardha Tadasana, half Tadasana. Send it back. And then bend your front knee, land your back toes, sweep arms up, high crescent lunge. You know where we're going. Squeeze outer hips in, lift the heart, twist toward your front leg. Breathe in, reach back. And as you exhale, take that hand to the floor, extend the top arm over your ear, finding a long line from your finger to your back toe, and then step it into plank. Shift forward, chaturanga. Slide to your upward facing dog. Tuck your toes. Hero's pose. We're here again. So we have moments of high intensity, we have moments of low intensity. Yoga is about transitioning energy and about living in the present here in your seated rest. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. We're going to move on, keeping that energy, moving towards Shavasana, our corpse pose. And this is the truest form of yoga. It is, sure, an asana, a physical pose, a posture, but it is also about the clarity of your mind, the clarity of your breath, detachment, which is one of the important ideas of yogic philosophy, and living in the present. So give yourself this gift. No kids, no husbands, no wives, no brothers, no sisters, no clients, no bosses. It is just you, your breath, and the mat. Enjoy. When you're ready to reawaken the body, make a fist with your hands like we did earlier. Circle those about. Tuck your knees in, give yourself a nice generous hug, and then do a few rock forward and back, kind of like rolling like a ball from Pilates, or boat pose prep in yoga, or a somersault like small kids. Come up to a seated position. Sukhasana is the choice I'm making today. Easy sitting pose. And when you're up and seated, you're going to bring palms up to the sky so that we can take energy into the body. Trying to be one with the universe. Bring your hands together, thumbs to the third eye center of the forehead, representing all we see and know. Hands to the lips, representing all we speak. And finally, hands to the heart, representing all that we give, we share, we feel. Take a forward bow. Beautifully done today, yogis. You rocked this 15-minute sunset salutation. Before you go, make sure you like and subscribe. Click the bell so you get notifications when we drop a new video. And until that moment, I want to remind you to inhale positive and exhale negative.